Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I will show you something I never did before. So this scarf we did just last week, and this time I'm going to actually pull it apart. So this was a triangle scarf out of Lion Brand Mandala wool, and I kind of thought the color changed looked interesting, but wanted to see what it would look like in a regular scarf. So I decided to try something else out of it, so hopefully it's gonna look better. So let's see. You can see the colors that we have in this wool here, so that go through almost in like a rainbow style. So they are all in different lengths or widths, and it might be great for some people. I just can't seem to get used to it in a triangle shape. So I will take it apart and make a new scarf, just a regular one. So we can get started with our new project. I will start with an even number of chains. So if you have this exact wool type and would like to really repeat what I'm doing, you should be using a 5mm needle, so that's what the instructions say, and that's what I have too. So for this, you can also check out the wool details in the video for the scarf we did just last week if you want to find it. So let's get started. So here are 30 chains. This looks like a nice width for the scarf. So you see that I'm doing it directly from my old scarf, so you don't have to literally pull it apart to be able to work with it. So I took one for the height. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here into the third chain and do a single and a chain. Leave this one out and then again do a single and a chain, and keep repeating, but keep skipping one spot in between. So here we are now. Here in our last spot we have a single, and then we will do 2 chains for the height. We will turn, and so one chain is for the height and the other one is the bridge over the single we just did, and then just go around the chains from the last row and do a single and chains in between. So you see how big it is. You can never miss the spot where you do the single. So finished to the end. I'll show you how I'm gonna start a new row, but you already know what to do. So I'll finish the entire thing that I have and I'll show you the result. So here we are now. This is about 210 centimeters long and about 30 centimeters wide. So let me just go through the colors with you so that you can see. So here we have the gray and the small greenish part, and then a longer bit in a really nice blue. And then we have a little bit shorter blue and another longer one. Then we have the gray. Then again bluish gray even. Then brown here, grayish brown, and again to the blue shades. So that's how it keeps changing all the way to the yellowish brown, and this color as the last piece, so I'd say something greenish brown. So we have a tiny bit of wool left over, so let's pull it out and we can weave that in. So we are done. Let me know which one you think is better. So the project we already did last week, or maybe this one, yeah, I guess it's different for everybody, but I'd love to hear back from you. So if it's the triangle or the regular scarf version, another option would be to do a loop scarf here and connect the beginning and end, since it's pretty long and relatively stretchy as well, which is always good for a loop scarf. So let me know if you would maybe do that. So that's 3 different options that you can choose from. I'd love to hear your personal preference, but also if you have any arguments why this would be better or that would be better, I'd love to hear back from you. So if you like this scarf or the first one we did, please let me know in the comment section. Apart from that, you can always shoot a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That way we know we did a good job, and that way you can stay updated with everything new that we post, as well as the things we already posted. So thanks for watching DIY Ideas. I hope you guys had fun. See you next time in our next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!